here with an unbagging of a mystery yarns. Oh my goodness. So Hobbii from Denmark, Hobbii. They have mystery bags. They have mystery acrylic bags of yarn, and they have mystery cake yarns. So you get 4 cake yarns for $40, which makes it $10 a cake, which is like half off. So it's like buy one, get one free. I get this idea from O Day Crochet. I love O Day Crochet. I love her. And so when he does a good unboxing, it gets me going. And I'm like, I want some of that too. I'm loving my PayPal account so that I can get a few things from time to time and share them with you. Yay! So I did 2 mystery bags. There was an acrylic mystery bag, and it told you get a certain amount of ounces, and this one wasn't that expensive, but I don't remember. I forgot. But if I remember, it'll be like right here. Yeah, if I remember. Hobbii calls this lucky bags. So the cake lucky bags. What? Let's see. Oh, they gave me a free little goodie. And this is a needle case. I love pink, and I can actually use a needle case. I do have my sewing needles, my yarn sewing needles all over the place. Love this idea. And they always give a cute little Hobbii candy. Best dog mom ever. I love it. Flowers keep me company and make it look so pretty. It makes the ambiance look so beautiful. Right. Okay, you don't have to agree with me. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to do the acrylic bag first. Let's see what a mystery brings. Oh, I'm kind of happy though. I'm kind of happy. All right, let's just show this for now. Let's start with this. This beautiful burgundy. Glasses on. It's called Amigo XL. It is acrylic and polyacryl. Polyacryl. It says you can use a 5mm knitting needles or a 5 to 6mm hook. It's nice. It's nice. Me like. So it's designed in Denmark and it's made with love in Turkey. I would say that is a 3. I'm gonna guess. If ever O Day Crochet Crystal watches this, do you think I guessed right? She gets these a lot, so she knows more than I do. Coffee time. Good coffee. Okay, then we have this Xinia bright orange. I can see myself making a nice fluffy pumpkin with my knitting loom. Whoa, this one says 100% acrylic. That's it. So there's no polyacryl. Okay, this one says 100% acrylic, but the polyacryl is not in here. See something different. Ooh, mala. Oh. Getting winter vibes. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is color 9. This is beautiful. And it says Colorina, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Yay! I love me some wool. I love me some alpaca. This would make a cute hat. Maybe a slouchy hat. Or cool hempen. Because, you know, it's not that much. Wow. Knitting needles, they would like you to use the number 6. And for a crochet hook, they would like you to use a 7. It would be the best. And I'm gonna say this is a 2 weight. Okay, 2. And that's like thickness wise. The little information I'm grabbing from O Day Crochet, I will have her link in the description box below. So you can get more professional ways of explaining these things, these yarns. I'm still excited. Bam! Whoa! Umami. Like it says, umami. But if I read it, I would be like, you, mommy. Yes, me, mommy. I'm a mommy. Okay, mommy. It says 78% premium acrylic, 22% wool. She goes like this sometimes. Yes, I'm talking about Crystal, Bag of Day Crochet. And she tells you if it's scarfable. So scarfable means that you can make a scarf out of it and it won't itch. But this one, I don't know. I don't feel it's that scarfable. She has a ratio like from 1 being not that scarfable to 10 being scarfable. Yeah, 3. I don't know. I'll probably get all red. I'm sensitive. I'm sensitive. I don't know. But this is cute. So it's saying a 9mm knitting needle, 10mm crochet hook. So this is like a number 5 in thickness. And look at that. Look at that nails. My daughter who gave me the flowers, which is my youngest, she did my nails for me. So I guess that was the most, burgundy. That's the most I could tell you about this. So 1, 2, 3. We have 4. Then we have 2 more. This made the bag for me. Okay? And I'm going to tell you why. Yes, I am wearing the crochet tank top I made myself. I am currently in the process of making multiple summer shawls for a sale of summer bags, summer mystery-esque bags on my Instagram. So if you're on my Instagram, stay tuned. It will be posting no later than the 2nd week of June. And this is why I am so happy. Look at this fuchsia, which is beautiful. It's a twister solid cotton, 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, polyacryl. And it is a 3 to 4mm knitting hooks or a 3.54mm crochet hook. That means it's a thin. It might be like a 2, a 1 or 2. Yeah, a 1, like maybe a 1 and 2. I don't know. What do you think? Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. Okay, what do you think? They don't have a color. They go by number. So it's color 133. La 0921. Oh man, I don't know what more I can say. But I will tell you, I got 2. So I got the chills and I'm multiplying and I'm losing control. Cause I have so much yarn and I'm not denying I spend money on Hobbii. Okay, let me go. Let me stop. Okay. I'm so happy. I got 2. So I can make at least 2 to 3 shawls or 2 shawls, at least 2 shawls, and maybe a little leftover. I'm happy. Yay! And this color is nice for the summer as a shawl. That was my acrylic, but I got cotton and some wool blend, so yay! I'm glad it's not like full acrylic. Mystery Lucky Bag. I'm so happy. 2, 4, 6 yarns. Like this is a good winter hat. I see winter here, of course. I got summer. I got winter, but this is not cold. Like, oh, I'm just getting all the good colors, all the good vibes. I got some Halloween in my life. I'm gonna make a cute pumpkin with this with my knitting loom. Got pumpkins. That'll be the full bags that I'll be selling. Yeah, I am creating seasonal mystery bags. Stay tuned. More information to come on the June one. And then nice. I am happy. This nice burgundy one. I love a nice little slouchy hat. Real quick on the knitting loom. Ooh. Yay! On to cakes. I am so happy with what I received. Now the mystery lucky bags the yarn cakes, there's nothing wrong with them except for the fact they don't have a label. The company that manufactures it is CK, which is Cotton Kings. All it's missing is the label. These are available at full price with the label for double of what I'm paying for just one. So they're like about $20, where I got this for $10. And here's one. You can look it up in their website and it will tell you the name. I've watched so many of O Day Crochet's video that I am going to guess that this one's called Amber. So these are called Shadow Sultan Cotton Cakes. They're made of cotton. They have four strings. It's not hard to work with. It's just smooth. It is beautiful. I love to work with cotton. Beautiful for scarves, blankets, shawls, especially a shawl. Like even if you make a winter shawl, because the color just starts flowing out. So it's like you're getting this light color and all of a sudden it ends up in this black. Or you can do it the other way around. So I was like, you can make a ball and let the black be the first thing that starts and then it comes out into the color. So I got one. So to my understanding, I think this is called Amber. I won't know much more of the other names, but gorgeous. Gorgeous for the winter. I am so excited about this. So excited. So this one goes into 3 colors. So it's a black, then the black and the gray mix, and then the gray by itself. I can see, I'm feeling Nikki Raven making that Scully shawl. So it's a shawl that has a lot of little skulls that she's crocheted. I'm feeling the inspiration in this color. So I might attempt a skull shawl for Halloween. All right, last one. So it's 4 cakes, $10 each. I am super duper thrilled with this last one. Bam. This has a black to a navy to a mustard to a bright yellow. This one is giving me that painting Scream, you know, the background, or Starry Night, because it has all these colors and the swirls and Starry Night. Okay, I know that this is Scream, but the Scream, but Starry Night, it is giving me Starry Night vibes. Ooh. This was so worth it. I'm into cotton now. I am loving the cakes is a thing now. Great style in 1 cake. You could just make an amazing project just with 1 cake, and you get all the colors, and you'd be like, hey, you'd be stylish. What AF, of course. And it only takes about 12 to 15 days to receive it, which is not bad. Sometimes it takes less. It just depends. You can expedite shipping. It costs a little bit more. So I got the 4 cakes. Last time I got some wool needles. This time I got a needle case. You can get a cute candy. I think the more you spend, the more candy you get. And I got the acrylic mystery lucky bag with 6 skeins, and 2 of them will be coming in handy like right now for my shawl project. Wow, they take PayPal, guys. So yes, your girl did the PayPal thing. Thank you for watching. I hope this was interesting. Stay tuned. I will be doing a shawl tutorial. Maybe you won't have the opportunity to get in on my mystery bags, my summer mystery bags, but it's okay. I will be showing, you might have yarn already. So I'll be doing a tutorial with one of these lucky babies and making a shawl so that you guys can make a shawl too. Very easy, easy peasy, nothing fancy. We're just gonna go with the basics. Yes, basics. Thank you for watching. Love. hugs, and kisses. Mwah.